Welcome to IMC. I am Tiago Sismeiro, Mechanical Engineer and IMC Tooling Manager. IMC is a part of a group of 4 companies with more than 20 years experience in the market. All companies share a common winning philosophy that defines our identity. Our companies are IMC, Prototype Bicycle Racing Parts, Racing Cycle and Race to Win Motorsport Solutions. Prototype Bicycle Racing Parts core business is R&D and manufacturing of high-performance products. The main product is the wheels, which have won several world titles. Racing Cycle is bicycle parts logistics and distribution company, exclusive distributor of 6 component brands for the Iberian market. Race to Win developed motorsport solutions that allow us to fight for victories in the championships we participate. IMC core business is consulting and production of plastic injection molds and plastic parts. We produce from small baby plastic molds up to 60 tons, 2K and 3K, mainly for the automotive and houseware industries. Our Portuguese manufacturing and production plants are located in Marinha Grande. We argue that only with the correct analysis of our customers' needs, it is possible to exceed their goals. Our focus is the success and financial efficiency of our customers' projects. The key to success is in tool design and manufacturing. For this, we apply the same principles of high competition: reliability, easy maintenance, and performance. Only after crossing the finish line we achieve the victory, so reliability is mandatory. The knowledge acquired over the years is an increased know-how for product development, prevention of critical points, and failure analysis. In the early beginning of the project, we studied 3D article to verify feasibility and discuss with our customers possible article improvements. During manufacturing process, illustrated reports are provided to our customers so they can follow the progress of running works. Easy maintenance, minimal downtime and after-sales support with very quick response. High-quality standard molds guarantee production stability, optimized cycle times and constant quality during project lifetime. Plastic injection machines equipped with robot handling and additional injection units allow us to test our molds 1K, 2K and 3K in large-scale production conditions with stable parameters. The added value of our molds allows you to optimize the performance of your projects. In the end, what really matters is your financial success. Don't forget, reliability, easy maintenance, and performance. We take your project to the next level.